Hello folks, this is Les Goldstein, President of Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated, located here in beautiful Park Ridge, Illinois, with our March 2014 monthly video update. In this video, we'll be talking about some of the major events that moved markets in the first quarter of 2014. We will also be discussing what might affect markets in the days and weeks ahead. Stock markets were volatile during the first 3 months of 2014 when a chilly winter and lackluster economic data caused stocks to lose some steam after a wonderful 2013. The major indexes finished the quarter mostly flat, with the Dow losing 0.72%, the S&P gaining 1.30%, and the Nasdaq Composite increasing in value by approximately 0.54%. Though stocks may have lost some momentum last quarter overall, there were a number of individual turnaround stories that show company fundamentals may still be improving on a case-by-case basis. After growing 2.6% in the fourth quarter of 2013, the economy likely slowed in the first quarter of 2014. We don't have official numbers yet, but predictions on gross domestic product, GDP growth, range from 1.2% to 1.5% growth, below the Fed's desired target rate of 3%, which is typically indicative of a healthy and growing economy. Unusually cold weather, which of course we experienced here in Chicago, throughout the United States, caused slowdowns in the labor market, in the manufacturing sector, in the housing market, and other important segments of the economy. Now that spring is here, yay, we can hope that warmer weather will trigger some improvements to economic fundamentals. Despite the slower pace of growth, many analysts still think that we are on a 2.8 to 3% track for increased gross domestic product, again, a sign of a healthy economy. The February jobs report showed that job growth accelerated more than expected. While the unemployment rate ticked upward slightly, the jump was due to an increase in the number of Americans looking for jobs. This is an optimistic sign for the labor market. All told, if we add up official and estimated numbers, it looks like the economy added roughly 500,000 new non-farm jobs in the first 3 months of 2014. The Federal Reserve held a Federal Open Market Committee meeting and voted to continue dialing back its monthly bond purchases, that tapering we're all aware of in the news, while keeping interest rates low. At this point, the Fed's quantitative easing programs will end in the fall of 2014. New Fed Chairman Janet Yellen clarified the Fed's position by stating that though she believes the economy is strengthening, additional quantitative easing is still necessary to protect growth. Global worries dominated headlines for much of February and March and caused some stock market jitters as investors processed how a new Ukrainian crisis might affect global trade. Emerging markets saw significant outflows as investors feared Federal Reserve tapering might expose weaknesses in developing economies and shifted assets to the developed world. Looking ahead, markets will continually experience more volatility with a high degree of probability as investors digest the March jobs report and look for improvement in economic data. Earnings season may also contribute to volatility. Quarter 1 earnings reports will likely prove lackluster. Currently, expectations are for earnings growth to be flat or even negative due to slow demand in the first quarter of 2014. On the other hand, and there's always another hand, optimism is high for a strong second quarter and good news may send stocks higher. To keep you in the loop as far as what's happening here at Personal Financial Strategies, PFS, here are some of our upcoming events. On Tuesday, April 17th, our next Big Picture Retirement Planning Workshop starts at Evanston High School, located on Dodge Street in Evanston. If you have not yet attended and experienced one of our 3-session comprehensive financial planning workshops, now is the time to join us. Come learn more about estate planning, tax planning, long-term care insurance planning, and retirement income investing. Call Sherry Adelson at 847-268-3670 extension 100 to sign up now. As a friend of PFS, we will be happy to waive your Oakton College course fee. On Wednesday, April 23, we are holding an educational lecture on 2 investment opportunities at McCormick & Schmick's restaurant located in what used to be called Old Orchard Shopping Center, now Westfield, in Skokie, Illinois. This will be 2 investment opportunities designed for income-oriented clients. There will be a luncheon and a dinner. The dinner is filling up very quickly and the luncheon is filling up a little more slowly. So please, if you want to join us, please reach out to Sherry Adelson, again at 847-268-3670, extension 100, 847-268-3670, extension 100. That's April 23, I believe it's a Wednesday, for lunch or a dinner at McCormick & Schmick. As always, if you're happy with our work, we ask you to invite friends and family who might benefit from what we do. Once again, this is Les Goldstein of Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated signing off for the month of March 2014. I hope you found this commentary to be interesting and informative. If you did, please share it with friends and family. We'd love to hear what you have to say, so please feel free to reach out to me directly with your comments. If you have any questions about what you heard in this update, or if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 847-268-3670. Ask for Sherry, and she'll set up time for you to speak with either me or Robert or Yvonne. And if you're happy with the work we're doing for you, please don't keep us a secret. Now for the required disclosure. While we believe this information to be reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or the solicitation of the purchase or sale of any investment security. Please consult your financial professional, hopefully the team here at PFS, before making any investment decisions. Les Goldstein is a registered representative of Sigma Financial Corporation, member FINRA, and the Security Investor Protection Corporation. Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated is independently owned and operated by Les Goldstein and is not an affiliate or subsidiary of Sigma Financial Corporation. Until our next video, or until we speak next, Les Goldstein signing off for this first quarter update. Thank you.